Yeah. So we've decided to come out to the Shropshire Hills in what's probably the hottest day of the year so far. Yeah, you know what they say, only mad dogs and Englishmen go out in the heat of the midday sun. So we're making our way up from Cardiff Mill Valley car park up to the Waterfall, and I'll show you what's going on when we get there. So we've made it to the top of the waterfall, and it's literally a dribble today. Like, you can't really see it because of the light, but when we came here in November it was absolutely gushing, and today it's just nothing. It's about 4 little trickles of water down. So I'm just going to flip it around. So we've just come up through that valley. It is roasting hot, so we're just having 2 minutes in the shade and then we'll crack on. And the top. So this is it, we're at the summit, highest point on this little range, and it's hot, it's really hot. And I'll be honest with you, today I didn't really feel like doing this. Sort of got in late from work last night, crawled out of bed, packed up and was like, a little bit exhausted, a little bit unfit, but it's been worth it. We got to the top and there are some amazing, spectacular views all the way around into Shropshire. There is literally not a soul about. Once you come out of Cardiff Mill Valley, it is really quiet up here, which is really good actually, because we kind of got the place to ourselves. So we're going to go find somewhere to sit down and enjoy the sun for an hour and then make our way back round. Take the inner from the outer, you've got a filter on the bottom. It filters out bacteria, chemicals and viruses, which is why I picked this one. So it's the Grail Ultra Press. Filter, top on, loose, and just use your weight. Push it down. And then you've got clean filtered water. If I die tomorrow, it didn't work. little OEX taccana stove, picked it up this week for £35. You've got a ring for other saucepans and lids, stores the gas inside there, stores the burner and the gas rest as well. Now some people have said that they have some problem getting that bit in and out because of the two little rivets that are inside. To be honest, I've had no issues with that. In reality, it just slides in, there's plenty of clearance. We'll get this set up. So I tend to put the gas rest out first, put the two on that are loose onto that side, and then just hook that one in, and that makes it nice and solid without having to push those plastic clips. Take that bit out. Now the one thing with this is to get that nice and level, there's still a bit of the valve open, so just make sure that valve is nice and tight. And then this is the bit on height, there we go. Make sure that's nice and secure, nice and level. And then there's only two little lugs on here that line up, so just drop that down, line that up. So the stove boiled 500 ml of water in about 2.5 minutes. So that little peak in the front, that's what I'd give everything nicknames if I'm walking, and that's what I call fake crib gock. So we're going to just head down here, up there, over the other side, and then back down into the valley. So this is what I call fake crib gock. It's a little mountain actually, it's a pretty good climb up there, but it's got some amazing stunning views actually. You can see all the way around, you can see right over to Caradoc over there behind me where I've wild camped before. You can see pretty much most of the range, you smack bang in the middle. Just down there is Cardiff Mill Valley, so this is our last little summit for the day. In regards to the OEX burner, I'll do a proper full review at some point. Obviously sweating my face off because it's still really warm. And in the end, I'm glad I did today. I didn't really want to do it early. I didn't want to get myself out of bed. And that's really what takes the motivation, isn't it? It's getting up and going, right, I'm going to set myself a target and do it. So stay tuned, more videos to come soon. So these are the views from the top of what I call fake crib gock, and some of the views on the road down back to Cardiff Mill Valley. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.